Hello children, let's continue with chapter number 3, Coordinate Geometry of Standard 9. Let us start with exercise 3.2. We are going to solve certain examples which are given in the question. Question number 1. Write the answer to each of the following questions. Now the first sub-question is, what is the name of horizontal and the vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? Now the horizontal and the vertical lines, they have specific name given to it. The horizontal line is known as x-axis and the vertical line is known as y-axis. So the solution is the name of the horizontal and vertical lines drawn to divide the plane into 4 parts is x-axis and y-axis respectively. Next, what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? When we draw the two axes, that is the x-axis and the y-axis, the plane gets divided into 4 parts. They are known as quadrants. Quadrants because quadra means 4 and the division is of 4 parts. So we called it quadrant. The name of each part of the plane divided by the axis is quadrant. Next is sub-question 3. Write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Now these two lines, they are perpendicular to each other and they intersect at a point. The point is named as origin. So these two lines, that is the axis, intersect at origin. Now here, the xy axis or the coordinate axis, they are given. Certain points are also shown. The question is, see the figure and write the following. The very first sub-question is the coordinates of B. Now, to get the coordinates of B, we are going to draw perpendiculars from B to the x-axis and to the y-axis. Now here, when we draw the perpendicular from B to the x-axis, it reaches -5. And when we draw the perpendicular from B to y-axis, it reaches 2. So, the coordinates of B is -5, 2 enclosed in a bracket because they are to be written in a specific order. X coordinate to be written first and y coordinate later. So this is how the coordinates of the point B will be -5, 2. Next is the coordinates of C. Now we are going to draw the first perpendicular on x-axis, that is it reaches 5, and the another one on the y-axis, that is it reaches -5. So the coordinates of C is 5, -5. X coordinate is supposed to be written first, followed by the y coordinate. The next is the point identified by the coordinates -3, -5. Now we are going to draw lines from -3 and -5. So from here, -3 moves ahead and -5 moves from this side. The point of intersection is point E. So the answer is point E. Next, the point identified by the coordinates 2, -4. So perpendiculars drawn from 2 and -4. It intersects at G and the answer is point G. Then the abscissa of the point D. Abscissa is the x coordinate. So let us check the x-coordinate of D. It is the perpendicular from D to the x-axis, which reaches at the point 6. So the abscissa of the point D is 6. Next, the ordinate of the point H. Ordinate is nothing but the y-coordinate. So, let us search for H and draw one perpendicular from H to the y-axis. If you look into the figure, you will see that perpendicular reaches -3 on the y-axis. So, the ordinate of point H is -3. Next, the coordinates of point L. Now, L lies at 0, 5. If you look out for if you look out for L, you will get L here. We have to find out the coordinates of L. The first perpendicular is always made on x-axis. If I make a perpendicular from L to x-axis, it will reach at 0. That is the origin. So the x-coordinate is 0. And the point itself is on y-coordinate. It is on the y-axis. So the same point to be noted down, that is 5. So the coordinates of L, it is 0, 5. Next, the coordinates of the point M. Now, here lies M. The first perpendicular on the x-axis. It is itself on the x-axis. So, we'll take that point, that is -3. And the next perpendicular on the y-axis. So, it reaches 0. So, the answer is -3, 0. This is how we come to the end of this topic. We are going to solve more examples related to point placing on the Cartesian plane in the coming videos. Keep studying till then. Goodbye.